I am going to explain the topic movie maker and continue the topic that we were in the last from where in the last lecture. Last lecture we came to know that how can any movie can be created. It can be created by adding different audio, different video, or different video clips, or different images, and we can perform editing on them. And apply on them transitions and filters. Last time we have applied the effect of transitions and filters. Now I play again to explain that, recall you that what we have done last time. It is here. See the effect of filters and effects of transition that we have applied in my last lecture. Now you can see there are different effects of transitions and filters. We have also learned that we can place a portion of video clip from one location to another. It is possible because of this waveform of the video clip. Because of the waveform of the audio video clip, we can place the any portion of the any video clip from one location to other. Now we have learned about transitions and filters. Next concept is overlay. What is the meaning of overlay? Overlay means when one image or one effect is applied on the other image. Now click here, overlay. There are different styles available for the application of overlay. There are different styles that can be applied on the part of the movie. What are the part of the movie? It is the clips of the images as well as video. Suppose I select this and drag it here, this portion. So this effect, this overlay, or this image, this overlay concept or this image will overlapped with this particular image. Now click here and drag here. Now this, it will be applied on this particular. Simply you have to only drag for the application from this available overlay style, but you have to only click and drag from the available styles to the desired location. Now similarly click here, suppose I for the other portion, click here. Now at this time I have applied the transition effect, the overlay concept, and filters to the part of the movie. Now When I place the playhead at the beginning, now play the movie at the preview. Here you can see the overlay effect along with filters and along with transition effects. These are the effects of overlay concept, where one image or one style is applied over the existing style. I am simply giving you a concept. You have to make this application. You can apply at particular image and video clip to create a impressive one. I am just giving a concept to explain what are these things and how can they be implemented, and you have to apply on attractive and efficient movie. Now at this moment we have learned about the transitions, overlays and filters. Next is elements. There are different types of elements that can be included while the execution of the movie. Suppose this emoji is selected and drag, it will be placed along with the overlay concept, overlay effect, and it will show along with the effect. There are different effects that you can select and apply on at desired location. Clear? Now again I am going to play the movie. First place the playhead at the beginning. Now here we have effects of transitions, filters, overlays and elements. See the effects. Movie is going on. Now it is the effect that you can apply on the running movie. It is a transition effect, it is overlay effect. Now it is the element that tiger is in very angry mood. Now next it is effect of overlay concept. Similarly we can apply different style or different effects on the existing image or video clips. These are elements effect that are applied on the clip of video and image. Now it is completed. It is total 35 minutes movie is here. Sorry, 39.9 second movie is created through these 3 pictures that can be edited, and created on the movie. Now we have learned about transitions, filters, overlay, elements. Now next effect is music. There are different music styles that can be inserted while the clip or movie is in progress. there are different effects, there are different music are here that can be play while the movie is in progress. You can select the desired, or one thing more, that you can play your own audio, or you can record your audio and play here with the help of music, or you can download music, you can play online music while the movie is in progress, or with the help of mic you can narrate what is going on in the movie in the progress of the movie. Clear? Now last effect is text or credit. Similarly here, as there are different effects are here, you can select different style of text and place where you want to display. Suppose I select the first portion and click here and drag at text portion, it is known as text area, it is here. Now double click here, a window is appeared for typing. Type whatever you want. Suppose I want अब दिखाएं to place some text here, and I type here. There is text editor where we can type the text. Suppose I type the text Samsung. This Samsung is appeared here. Now similarly, where you want to place the text, click the text format and place here where you want to place. And now here appeared a plus symbol, text here. Double click on it, a text editor will appear where you can type what you want. What you want, it is appeared. Now similarly we can apply the text effect where we want. Now see the preview. It is Samsung, it is the starting. Now it is the complete effect of overlay, filters, music, transitions, elements and text in the movie. Now you have to apply that particular different styles at your movie to make it more and more attractive. In last you have to only export that when movie is created and finished. Last thing is to export. Now movie is going to complete. It is going to complete, and now it is at its climax. Now because of it, this effect in movie takes the time 49 minutes. Now last thing is to you have to export. What is the meaning of export? Directly you can save the movie with particular format in MPEG, MP4 format या WME format or MOV format. In which format do you want to select? Suppose I select the MP4. Name of the movie, I type the name. First save to, suppose I save here. Resolution is 1280 x 720. You can save it. You can change the resolution also. Size 30.95 MB. Duration is 49 seconds, sorry. And next you have to export. Now this movie is saved with extension .mp4. Earlier project was created and saved in the form .mproj. Saved in the form mproj, and when movie is created, it is saved in the form .mp4. It provides facility to save the movie in particular desired format, either wave form or WMV form or MP4 form. It is up to you that save your movie in particular format. Besides this, there are different tools through which you can make movie or video clipping. You can perform video editing on the existing one. First is Easy Movie Maker. It is a tool through which we have performed these operations manually, but in the Easy Movie Maker, it is performed directly with the help of different tools. Suppose I create the new project. And we have to select the different images or applications. First you have to drag the images or video from the desired location and put it here for the creation of the movie maker. Thank you. We will meet in our next class, where we explain different other tools as a video editor and voice converter, etc. in our next class. Thank you.